Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm starting a course, a basic Python course where you can learn the basics for Python, and there is 30 days for free in YouTube. So let's get started. And first of all, what is Python? And yes, this is an introduction for beginners. So welcome to Python. And what is Python? It is a high-level programming language created in 1991 by a guy named Guido van Rossum. Sorry if I pronounced his name wrong, but yeah. And it is widely used by tech giants like Google, Netflix, and Meta. If you don't know Meta, it is like VR, and it and it is beginner friendly, and it has beginner friendly features. For example, it is an interpreted language, it, and that means that the interpreted language runs code runs the code line by line, so it can give you instant feedback. And dynamically typed mean like no need to declare variable types front up front. Well, he created it in C++ and it is typed dynamically. And readable syntax. Readable syntax means that you can read it. I mean, a human can read it. And why is Python so popular? It has it is used in web development, data science, AI, automation, and more. And it has a large ecosystem. Thou- and I mean by that, it has thousands of libraries and frameworks available, strong community support for learners and professionals. Well, yeah. And the next is a brief history of Python. And I'm being like Python humble beginnings. And of course, it started in 1991 by Guido van Rossum as a personal project, and then it was designed to be simple, readable, and accessible for everyone. And I mean by that, everyone can use it. And it was a hobby, from hobby to global impact. Now, I mean, like, it was his hobby to make projects, but he created a personal project that is Python to the global or to everyone. And now it powers major tech giants like Google, Netflix, and Meta. And it is widely used in web development, data science, and AI, and more. And why should you use Python? Or why should you choose Python? It's an interpreted language. It is for beginners. It is dynamically typed, and it has high level abstraction. And that is, and I mean by, well, it focuses on human readable logic, not machine details. So let me break it down for you. Imagine you have a code, you have a chunk of code, and then you just, and but you didn't write that code. You just copied from ChatGPT and pasted it, and you can't even read it. But Python is fo- focused on human readable logic, not machine details like ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, and Gemini. And yeah, and where is Python used? As I said, it is used in web development and data science and AI, automation and scripting, and versatile applications. And versatile applications is like a large scale systems at companies like Google and Netflix. And getting started with Python, it is a little difficult, but also easy at the time. Like beginner friendly design is simple and it is human readable syntax. Syntax we're gonna talk about that in the course, and it is easy to learn, and it has need to manage memory or complex setup. C++, CSS, or whatever language. And instant feedback and flexibility. I mean by it runs code line by line and for a quick error detection. And it works on any computer, Windows, Mac, or Linux. And here are the key takeaways. What is Python? Beginner friendly and versatile application and feedback. And yeah, if you take this video as a useful video, make sure to like, subscribe, and maybe comment. It will help me, and I can make more course videos. And bye, guys.